We good, we good, we good. All right, so before we get started on this overly luxurious complex that I'm about to show y'all, I just feel like y'all needed to know what my favorite meal is here in Birmingham. It's a black-owned spot, Granny's Fish and Grits. Shout out. I'm about to show y'all what I got, and then we'll move on to the tour because you need to know. It'll be quick, I promise. Let's go. All right, are y'all ready? Because I'm not. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it was so much that it had to close right back up. Ooh, oh, look at that. It looks like love and gratefulness all in one plate. Granny's Fish and Grits. I will put the Instagram name somewhere up in here, but just look at that. I got the sausage and grit plate. You can get the other shrimp, or you can get like bacon, or you can get all types of stuff on here, but I just chose to go with the sausage. I got the fried shrimp. This whole thing was about $11 total, y'all. So just go ahead and support this lovely black-owned company. Granny be in the back whipping it up. Okay, y'all can see the tour now. I'm done.
I found things on earth that satisfy me a little bit, just temporary.
Okay, well, I look a mess. So we are at Clark's new apartment. We are getting the tour. Her apartment. So come along. Yeah, we are at the Ascend in 5 Points downtown. UAB people, this is for you. You get your massage chairs. You live here, you should know this. Oh wow. Hope nobody's in there. This is a real sauna. Wow.
It's not like the little UAB sauna.
You are upgrading.
You did not get any of this.
Oh.
I don't even know what it is, but it looks nice.
I don't know either, but you can just sit in there.
Right.
What's this?
This is the little This one.
Okay. Now, here we are with your little sheeps. A fire pit. Okay, like I said, we are downtown, 5 Points. Look how lovely. Ooh, that's on the ground. I wonder if they know that's on the ground. That's a whole TV. You could have like a movie night out here. You know, back in my day, we didn't have all this. Wow. Wow.
You want to stay on, like, have a balcony view? You have to pay extra. Yeah. If you live on a floor 12 and above, you have to pay extra because it's premium.
If you want to park on the first floor instead of the second,
it's $100.
There we go. Oh, pretty. Oh.
Yeah.
Very
I really like the placement of the door though. Like the door to the refrigerator. You see like
oh yeah.
pig seats.
Yeah, y'all got everything. Man, I guess.
So show the TV.
Oh, did the TV come with it?
The TV comes with it.
Oh. Huh.
You guys want some snacks?
Do you have snacks?
Barely.
Don't offer me stuff you don't have.
Yeah.
I just want y'all to see how tall these ceilings are.
Not every room has really tall ceilings.
Oh, because this
This, I guess the lower floors has tall ceilings, whereas
the
the 8th floor doesn't. It's really just...
This has to be at least 13 feet.
Exactly.
We got a view of Regions. That's where I was going to park, but then they said they were going to tow me. They did?
Amber.
Yeah, Amber.
Oh,
Okay, let's go see Clark's room. We're not going to invade everybody else's privacy.
Doing laundry. So it's just what is this? Whirlpool. GE. Each room has their own bathroom, but my bathroom's in the
up.
Excuse the junkiness.
Excuse the. She didn't know we were coming, guys. I want to see what your view is.
I woke up and went on.
Okay, so space-wise, it's enough. And you get your own desk. She's in grad school, so y'all should understand. So, closet-wise, this is like a good amount of closet space to me. You know? Okay, bathroom. Oh wow, that's a lovely shower. Hold on, let me. Ooh, still going. How fancy and spacious without the bras.
But yeah, I mean, it's fine.
To the gym. Oh, this is a real gym. Oh, look at this. This is like the gym that I paid. That's crazy. They have an entire everything here. An entire Peloton. Pelotons are thousands of dollars. And they got two. What? That's insane. Well, college. Looks like I'm canceling my gym membership. This is every machinery that I use. It's kind of close together, but like still, this is everything that I use. And if I want to fight somebody, I can just come here and practice. I'm astonished. Look at you. You first.
Since you got your workout degree.
I don't like your attitude. I would love to just sit here and sit. Oh, it gets better.
So what do you guys think this is?
The library, secret door.
It's a secret door.
Yes.
Let me see. Okay, no one's in there. Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow. I am stunned. Oh, wow. I could have so many meetings in here, or I can play games. I don't think I've ever seen a better view of Birmingham than this.
What's the little castle?
I don't know what's there.
What's that? What?
The castle?
I don't know. That's literally what I've been looking at. I think it's like a pathway.
Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. I'm really about to be Clark's roommate again, except I'm just gonna live under her bed, because hopefully this music don't get us copyrighted. But y'all, they have actual games. Look at this. Look at this. I'm upset. They pay enough for it, but golly. Wow, it's free. Let them know, Clark. You do this. You do this. So you can play Scrabble. Oh, it's magnetic. It's such a beautiful day. You can have a whole little birthday shindig out here. TV, all these chairs. They have a grill and a sink, 2 grills, 2 gas grills and a sink, and of course the pool and security. I'm just in love with this view, for real. Okay, here's the lovely pool that is very small. You get a nice little view, but it is tiny and it is not heated, so keep that in mind.